Hedgehog is the fluffiest in the forest. But no one wants to hug him because he's covered in tiny spikes. So he tries wearing a pillow. That didn't work. So he dresses like a cloud. Still no luck. He even tried rolling in marshmallows, but everyone just kept their distance. One day, a baby squirrel got stuck up high in a tree and started crying. And when I say crying, I mean really crying. Sniffles rushes over and uses his cushion costume as a soft landing pad for the little guy. Everyone in the forest cheers as the squirrel gives Sniffles the biggest, snuggliest hug ever. From that day on, Sniffles became known as the soft-hearted hero of the forest. End.